Okay guys, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to create a search engine bar on After Effects, the animation. Okay, now you're in After Effects. Let's jump in and create a new composition. New, okay, new composition. Just want to leave it at complete one and it's fine here. Let me just proceed. Okay, here is it. Okay, now we have to drag and drop your engine bar things. Okay, I'm gonna drag the Google PNG file and I drag the arrow and I drag this search bar. Okay, here's it. First thing, on your right click, new solid layer, then I'll name this as PG. Then click OK. You can choose your favorite color, then double click here to make a mask, then make tick mask invaded, and then increase the mask further according to you. Max further, it makes it look it smoother and professional. Yeah, I think it's fine. Here's BG. Then let's drop our Google logo first on top of the PG, then resize it. You can press S on your keyboard, but this is for beginner. I'll just open it, the small arrow, and open transforms until I found scale. Then increase the scale, increase the scale. Yeah, I think it's fine. Let me just move it on top a little bit. Okay, now it's fine. Let's create a rectangle tool. Make sure you unclicked everything here. Just click a rectangle tool, then press it like this, then go back to selection tool. Yeah, I think it's fine. Choose your favorite color here. I think gray is fine. Okay, in this thing. Then let's add on this layer, select layer, shape layer, then add the roundness corners, then open roundness corners, then make it up to 50 to 70 somewhere to make it roundness to be real. That this is a search button, this is a search block, I mean. Okay, now let's add our search PNG file over here. I think it's fine. Then let's resize it a little bit, open the little arrow and open transform until you find scale, then you scale it up like this. It's fine, yeah. Okay, then you select all of this, then press S on your keyboard, or you can just open it up and make it around, I think around 1 second. Set a keyframe for scale, then the first frame, and change the scale to 0. Enter, then select all keyframes, then ease them. It's fine. Okay, let's preview. Okay, yeah, now it's fine. It's popping up on the screen. Okay, you can also ease this one too. Okay, right click, keyframe assistance, ease, or you can press F9 on your keyboard. Let's open this transform over here and ease them. Ease. It's fine now. Now they are all fine. Then around 1 second there should be a text. Okay, let's add text. You can right click, add new text, or you can go over here on top, then search for the tool button and click the tool button and put it here. then type what you want to type. I just want to call this double dot, double dot mail dot co dot za. Okay, it's fine. Then change it to selector, then it's fine. Over here, I think we need to scale it up a little bit. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah. Then select these 3 layers, accept the text and the PG, then right click, then pre-compose, name it Des2. What you will remember with, make sure you click on move all attribute. I just want to name this as main. Okay, make sure it's move all attribute and click OK. Okay, now it's fine. Then from here, tilt 1 second, then go to effects and presets. Over here, effects and presets, then typewriter, search for typewriter. Here it is, typewriter. Then process it over here. Okay, now let's preview and see what's going on. It's taking too long, over a millisecond. Then let's open this text. Then let's open text again. Then let's open animator 1. You can also add the typewriter on animator. Let's open it. Then open range selector. Then here is it. Okay, let's say this thing it ends in 2 seconds. Okay, let's just bring this keyframe over here. Then select them, right click, keyframe assistance is or press F9. Yeah, now they are fine. Let's preview our animation. Then we want it here, from here, and 2 seconds. Let's add an arrow on our timeline. Here's the arrow. Then just resize, open this little, then scale it down a bit, scale it down, okay, it's fine. Then rotate it. Yeah, just look up, then pull out or take it out from the screen. Then set a position from 2 seconds. Then move a little bit, move this arrow into search bar. Then there's already keyframe is selected here. Okay, right click, is yeah, now it's fine. Now we want this thing to have a meaning. Like, let's select again. I was supposed not to pre-compose the text, the search text, like this little icon for search. I was not supposed to. Okay, let's just move it and size it according to this one. But for yours, you mustn't, like, yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, then this, you can break it like this until wherever you want. Yeah, I think it's fine. You can break it like this, then break it on the other side. Then go to effects and presets, search for fill. Yes, fill is fine. Then drag and drop it on this PNG file. Then change the fill into blue color. Okay, then change the opacity to 40. Okay, it's not scaled correctly. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Yeah. Okay, now let's preview. Okay, yeah, and after everything you just click here, should be here, then we click I think we should also pre-compose texts and the composition that we pre-compose, including text name 2. Okay, move all attributes. Okay, now it's fine. Then if it doesn't show you this option over here, it's because it's like this. Then click on toggles and switches mode, then click on turn this composition into 3D. Okay, then open transform and set a keyframe for Y, then move the timeline a little bit, and let's say here and turn it to 90 degrees Y rotation. Okay, the arrow is supposed to move out from here. After it's done clicking, then the arrow must disappear. Let's just select the opacity over here, then here, and change the opacity to 0 for the arrow, and click enter. Then select this and right click as is or press F9 on your keyboard. Okay, let's preview our animation and see. Because we had 3D now on it, reason why it's taking so slow. Okay. Okay, we'll get done right now. Okay, that's fine. Let's preview it again. Basic. Yeah, then you can add something after this animation according to what you want to be searched, and this thing must be visible after this. Then once it's turned off, let me just say I want this thing to come after this. Let me say this. I want this to come after this, then edit here, and let me resize. Then after this, I'm set the keyframe over here 0 for the opacity. Then when you move it, yeah, it's fine here 0. Then over here, just change it to 100 and enter. And then press them, drag them, and press F9 or right click, press as it is, let's preview. Yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and you tune in for the next video on After Effects tutorial and WordPress tutorial and a lot of more Adobe software tutorial. Stay blessed. Make sure you subscribe and like and share. and comment. See you next time.